Today we're demonstrating the Brendon power washer unit. That is a 940 litre water power washer. On the left we have the control for the detergent. To the right of that is the gauge, pressure gauge. Once it's going, it shows you the output pressure. In this instance, this is a diesel powered by Unanderra. We do a pre-start check on the unit itself. Make sure we've got fuel, the exhaust is clear, everything is in operation. Turn the fuel tap on, push the start button with the accelerator open, and away it goes. Once the pressure washer is going, the water comes through to the rear of the trailer to this hose reel, and the two hoses connecting, one to the spray bar, which we have down at the bottom down there, and that is an option, and then to the hose to the unit, which today we're demonstrating the Dusttech DT400, and then we have this yellow line coming back, which is the return line back to the tank itself. The Dusttech DT400 by Brendon is a unique water blasting cannon to use with dust suppression and odour control. It is fully adjustable from the side with the increments to be able to get it to the ideal position, just like this. Around to the side is the ball valve, and away we go. With the Brendon power washer delivering 3,500 psi from the petrol, or in this instance 3,000 psi from the diesel, it delivers 15 litres per minute. It will cut grease and grime with ease. The Mossmatic deck cleaner. It's used for cleaning pavement, concrete, surrounds around pools, driveways, workshops. The ease of use with the four wheels and the turbo head just cuts that grime and algae with ease. With the optional rear spray bar on the trailer, it allows you to do dust suppression. Running a chemical in the chemical tank, you can then do dust suppression on site to cut down dust transfer with the wind drift.